A scroll saw is a specialized tool used for intricate woodworking projects that involve detailed curves, cuts, and shapes. It is an electric or pedal-operated saw that consists of a thin blade mounted vertically between two arms that move up and down. The blade is small, thin, and narrow, and it can be easily replaced for different types of cuts. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DeWalt 20-inch scroll saw. You wouldn't be wrong if you called DeWalt one of the best power tools manufacturers. They top the list in almost every criteria, and the reason is not far-fetched. Once again, they have combined durability, functionality, and strength in this masterpiece. The DeWalt DW788 scroll saw produces cuts with close to perfect detailing. One very good thing about this brand is that its double parallel link arm design helps to greatly decrease vibration, thereby giving room for a more steady and accurate cut. It features a tool-free blade change technique allowing you to easily replace the blades without stress whenever you feel the need to. You can adjust the cutting thickness to a range of 0.75 to 2 inches. Thanks to its arm lifts, you can easily thread the blades right through the material to enable you to get to inside cuts. This saw also provides you with bevel cuts, as it can tilt 45 degrees, both to the left and right side. The DeWalt saw also features a 20 inches throat length. This allows you the opportunity to work on a wide range of differently sized project. With a throat length of 20 inches, you should have plenty of room for cutting a wide variety of different sized materials. Number 2. Delta Power Tools 20-inch scroll saw. The dual parallel link arm design helps to greatly reduce vibration, thereby giving room for a more accurate and precise cut. It also offers a tool-free blade clamp. This is actually a very important convenience feature that saves you stress during blade replacements. With this scroll saw, you can easily adjust the tilt to the desired angle of your choice. Also, whenever the blade is being adjusted or changed, the upper arm lifts and becomes locked in that position. This saw bevels both to the left and right at an angle of 0 degree, 45 degree. It is powered by a 1.3 amp motor, making it possible for the scroll saw to work around woods of different types. Also, the area for blade storage provides you with an organized option for protecting your saw blades. Its dust blower features allow you to maintain a neat environment while working, as it comes fitted with an adjustable dust hose that can redirect debris and wood particles from your work table to any direction of your choice. However, it is more suited for use with pinless blades. If you want to use pinned blades, you might consider getting an adapter to go with it. Overall, this is a good option and a wonderful choice for larger projects. Number 3. When 16-inch scroll saw. It's fabricated in such a manner that it accepts blades in either the standard manner or at 90 degrees, so you'll enjoy an unending ripping capacity. The motor of the WEN 3921 16-inch scroll saw boasts of a fair speed ranging between 400 and 1600 strokes per minute, depending on the nature of the material being cut. The table is not much different from the other products we've reviewed this far. It has a maximum width of 1/6. It can also tilt to the left to a maximum of 45 degrees. This guarantees you clean bevel cuts with high precision. It can only cut woods that are too thick or less. It also has a maximum throat depth of 1/6. If you hate the noise that comes with scroll saws, then you may as well opt for this product. This is because it has a cast iron base, which is fairly noiseless. Changing blades are pretty easy because of the toolless blade change system. It also has a flex light for ease of use at night. Also, with the dust port, you'll always have a clear table devoid of dust particles. This tool stands out in that there are no major cons to hold onto. Number 4. Dremel MotoSaw scroll saw. This beautiful piece of equipment is formidable, to say the least. I consider it one of the most portable scroll saws in the market. The Dremel MS20-01 MotoSaw scroll saw is a rare model with a detachable table. Yes, you can detach the main scroll saw from its table and use it as a handheld cutting tool. When you seek to use it the traditional way, you can clamp the table or base to any surface you deem fit so as to mitigate vibrations and maximize precision. This is a lightweight tool, weighing just 5.29 pounds. Nonetheless, it's more powerful than it looks, being able to cut through various materials like metals, laminates, wood, and pipe. It's electric powered and has a power rating of 120W, 120V. It's got variable speed control functions that ensure that the right speed is used for the right material. To ensure that your workspace remains neat, it's got a dust port adapter that expels dust particles from the top of the table to the floor. This scroll saw also has an auto-tensioning mechanism that allows you to change accessories, like blades, pretty fast. If you're opting for this too, you've got to read the manual properly, especially because the blade tends to be difficult to install, manage and use. Number 5. Rockwell BladeRunner X2 Portable Tabletop Scroll Saw. Well, £17 may look a little extra, but if you make a comparison with some of the other saws we have on our list, you'd agree with me that this tool is worth every pound. It has a no-load speed of 3000 strokes per minute with varying stroke lengths for different materials. The stroke length for wood is 1/2, ceramic tiles is 3/8, aluminum is 3/8, PVC pipe 1/4, while steel is 1/8. That is another way of saying that the harder the material, the more time it takes to cut. The saw boasts of an ultra-fast tool-less blade change system that allows you to replace and install a blade in 3 seconds literally. It's a corded electric machine that runs on 120V power supply. It comes installed with a vacuum port that serves as a dust port for expelling debris from cut materials. Each pack comes with a 5-piece blade set. The holding compartment will keep your material in place as the blade runs through it. One thing you've got to know is that this tabletop scroll saw is not for long straight cuts. You can easily make designs and specialized cuts. But long straight cuts for about a meter is definitely not going to work. Number 6. Excalibur 16-inch tilting head scroll saw. The Excalibur X16 16-inch scroll saw is as epic as its name sounds. It's a breath of magnificence, having great features that qualify it as one of the best products in the market. First, it tilts in 2 different directions, 30 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right. What tilts are the head and not the table, which means your workpiece remains level while it deals with high precision cuts on your wood. As a way of preventing an accident during the use of this equipment, it's equipped with an upper and lower blade guard. More so, the device is designed with some safety standards that ensure it doesn't start up unintentionally. It uses a permanent magnet motor that boasts of speed that ranges between 400 to 1400 strokes per minute, depending on the material you're cutting. The table has a pretty fair dimension of 12x18.5 that can easily accommodate most works. Changing the blade is not a problem at all. With its tool-less blade change system, you don't need to hire a technician to do it for you. Just like the other products we've reviewed, it is also equipped with a dust blower. So far, there are no major cons that are worth considering in this product. It's quite splendid.